to another video. Today we are going to be wrapping the chrome accents around my windows black. I got this off Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. And then it also came with this little, I don't even know, squeegee thing and this little knife. But I also got this kit that came with a cut for a knife for the wrap. Came with extra blades for this, not an expo knife, not an expo, I don't know, this is a blade. It came with extra blades, and then also came with different squeegees. So we're going to see if I can get this done. High hopes, high hopes. The only part I am worried about is this section right here because it's a little tight. I don't want to have to remove the mirror. I know some videos do tell you to remove the mirror, but I'm not going to try and do that. And then also this part here, I don't know how the wrap size I got is going to curve around that, so hopefully it's not too bad. But I am nervous because this has to be like a perfect cut because there's nothing to reach under here. And then that's pretty much what I'm nervous about. I have enough space to hide the wrap and tuck in the wrap here, but right here it just has to be literally a perfect cut. Also around here, there's not much to tuck in here as well, like there is in the back here, which I can tuck that in fairly easily. This part doesn't have it, so. They did say that, well, they mean the YouTube videos I watched, to put some tape to help you when tucking the wrap. Even though it's really hard for me to tuck, I'm still gonna put this because I'm gonna have to cut it with a knife. All right, I'm gonna start off by trying to do this part first, and hopefully it goes okay. We will see. Start applying here first and work our way down. So that one didn't go as planned. That was my first try. I'm going to try it again. I already learned from my first time doing it. I'm going to do it with the window down, so I can get in here and tuck it in that way, and that should work better than my first time. So let's try again. finished one window and I used that whole roll of vinyl. So we're gonna come back after I order more to finish the rest of the car. This is definitely not as quick and easy as I thought it was gonna be. I don't know how people wrap cars. I really don't, because I'm struggling with just the window trim. Okay guys, we are week 2 of trying to wrap the chrome around the window trim gloss black. I ended up getting this wrap on Amazon. It's twice as wide as the one I had last week, so I'm literally gonna cut it right down the middle, and it should give me enough for the top and the bottom. Came with another squeegee, and then I also found my heat gun. Well, my dad found it because last week I was using my blow dryer. So love that for me. Hopefully this goes smoother because I kind of have a sense of what I need to do. But yeah, we'll see. Literally struggling. I have enough vinyl left to do every window, so I have enough vinyl for 3 windows, which is all I really have to do. But I can't mess up. I literally have one here, and then I cut up my vinyl already for this window that I'm doing, and I've already redone it like 6 times. Alright, so this is what the rear looks like. I ended up doing an overlay here, and I messed up a little bit here, but that is what she's looking like. Now to the other side. Okay guys, so that is a wrap. Took me from 8:30 this morning to, it is now 12:43. The last window I did obviously came out the best because I had the most practice. Would I do this again? Yes, I am gonna end up doing it again because it's not perfect, and I'll show you why. I did have an imperfection here where I cut too much of the wrap off and it showed a lot of chrome, so I had to like put a little piece here, so that I have to fix. And then the edges, I need to get better at cutting the edges because you can still see chrome there. But other than that, she looks honestly pretty good for my first time. But that is all for today's video. I'm going to clean up the mess and then see you guys in the next one.